Okay, we'll get my dom boy. And look who's here. Vamsi the biker. Yeah, today is Sunday and we are starting a trip from my home. And so many other riders are also joining today. I'll give you more updates directly on the bike. And we are heading to Rachakonda Fort. Wow! Okay, this is a newly constructed Mehdipatnam ka flyover. It is cool. Looks cool. Just wanted to show you how does it look in the night. And it is very long, like more than a kilometer.
Namaskaram Andi.
Namaskaram. I'm saying. Okay. We just started our trip. We are at LB Nagar. This is the way how you park your bikes. We just stopped here. A few more riders are joining. It's early in the morning at 6:40 and it's still foggy. Okay, chalo, let's start our ride. We are heading to Rachakonda Fort as I said, and all the riders are ready with so many bikes. Chalo, time waste chito inka line. Wow, my bike looks next level. Bulky monster, and we have Apache, Dominar, NS 200, Vishu, Jigsaw, Royal Enfield Classic and Dominar again, NS 200, RC 200. Ee bandi peru naku telvadu. Duke 250. This is Pulsar 220F. Okay, so let's start our ride now. Exiting Hyderabad. So from the past few rides, we are just going through this road only. That is in Nagarjuna Road to Vizag Colony or to Nagarjuna Sagar, or else let's say the Rachakonda. Everything we are preferring the same road because this is the only route. So yeah, I think after Rachakonda this route will be done for us. Right now 33 kilometers left. I am leading the group. All other riders are just behind me. And yeah, we are going in a good pace, like in a decent manner, following just 70 speeds. Off-roading. Crazy. Simple helpotundi bandi. Bike is going very smoothly. Yeah, finally we are trekking to Rachakonda Fort. It is almost 1.5 kilometers of trekking, it seems. All our guys are here. Everyone is busy in their own works. And this is me. Okay, this is one viewpoint. Are my background noise Chandra? Okay, we are here at Rachakonda. We are trekking now, but look at this viewpoint. Wow, this photo is very old, I guess. I don't know how old it is. Okay, so this is the entry. It's been almost 500 meters till now. Okay, cool. Something is written here. It is in Telugu. It is Suswagatam. It means welcome. I will show you a beautiful view. I've seen it from down. I'll show you it from the top. Look at this. Cool, right? Wow. Oh my god, lot of trekking. So this is just 80 kilometers from Hyderabad. That too especially from my home. That is Lingampalli. If you want a good viewpoints, there are only few places like Vizag Colony or Nagarjuna Sagar. Else, this Rachakonda Fort. This is pretty good. Look, this looks like completely dense forest, and we are almost trekking since 20 minutes till now, and I'm completely exhausted. Whew. अंदर रेसिस को ड्रो
चलो डार्लिंग्स उमेर भाई ఏం నన్ను చూస్తున్నావా all about ఉమేర్
wow. ఓహో క్రేజీ కదా ఫాగ్ ఉంది మొత్తం లుక్స్ గుడ్ okay, look at this view. We got lot of mountains and beautiful fog also. How is this view? If you want to experience this, you have to visit it. But look at this huge mountain, huge rock. Very huge. Okay, yeah. View with the wide angle. Just enjoy the view. Enjoy the view. Here you go. Amshi, listen now. Hi friends. Okay, so a lot of people do think that there are no beautiful spots near Hyderabad, and even I thought the same, but until I look at this. Okay, so look at the view, look at the mountains. It is just amazing. It's keeping on expanding. It is just 85 kilometers from Hyderabad. It is known as Rachakonda Fort. Once again, I'm telling you, look at this view, guys. It's really good. Excellent. I'm in love with this view. Cool. Now we'll head back. I hope you like the location. Chalo upo. Reaching back home. That's it. So I'll see you when I reach my home. Okay, so finally reached my home. That was the day. Time is literally 2:57. That means it is already 3. I reached my home at 3. We started early morning at 5:30, I guess. We spent there for around 2 hours. So that's how it went. Hopefully everything went well. Everything was good. I enjoyed a lot. The views were amazing. Most importantly, my bike looks amazing. See, perfect machine. Looks like a perfect beast right now. Only thing is lot of oil is leaking from my suspension. I already made it twice. This side is okay, nothing is wrong, but ये तो 2 बार चेंज किया था. Okay, so let's end the vlog here. That's it for today, guys. Like, share and subscribe to my video on my YouTube channel if you like it. If you don't like it, just dislike the video. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye. I'm so tired, so I can't talk much. Bye.